Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of independent. You are free from any outside influence. You do not have to rely on anyone else's authority. For example, the study is totally independent of central government. The second definition of independent. Do not rely on someone else for your livelihood or subsistence. For example, I wanted to remain independent in old age. American pronunciation. Independent. Independent. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Independent. Say. Independent. Independent means free from outside control. Independent. Independent. Independent origin. The early 17th century was used as an adjective, partly based on the French independent. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Outside controls or independent reviews could have provided such safeguards. Now, repeat after me. Outside controls or independent reviews could have provided such safeguards. The second practice. It recommended that the agency be subject to an independent review. Now, repeat after me. It recommended that the agency be subject to an independent review.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.